Hey, it's Michael Saul, but you can call me Tiny because everyone else does. This is the market video for the week of December 16th, 2013. So let's take a look at what happened last week. Aha! A pullback in an uptrend. So to go back a week before, we had a pullback that week as well, and then ended the week with a pop up. Monday, we continued up, formed the doji, and then we pulled back the rest of the week. It looks like Friday was more of a push than anything. You see here it's down 16 cents, but it was really a push, at least on the broad market. So this is good. This is what I've been looking for. I wanted to see this, and I don't know if this pullback is over quite yet. We are at support, but we do have the 50-day moving average just below. So let's talk about a couple scenarios coming up this week. We have the middle of the month. It's officially the 11th trading day on Monday. We have an FOMC meeting coming up, and we have the last options expiration of the year, the last triple witching. And all three of those components actually favors the bulls. Now, it doesn't mean we have to start a bounce. It doesn't mean we will get a bounce. All right. I mean, all we're trying to do here is gain an edge, is put some things together that give us an edge. And historical tendencies are part of that. So, could we continue lower? Yes. And if we do, I will be watching this 50-day moving average with bated breath, as they say, not super guru stink breath, but bated breath. All right. And that doesn't mean that it hits the 50-day and you buy it, but if we do get down to that 50-day and we put in either a reversal candle or we set up a pattern intraday, something like that, then I'm going to be watching for a buying opportunity. Now, I don't know if the highs are in or not for the year, and I really don't care. I do have a strong opinion that we will get another rally before the year is over. So, if we start from here, yeah, likely that will take out the highs, but if we stretch further, maybe we get a rally and it doesn't take out the high. So I really don't care about that. I don't feel there's any any benefit in predicting that we're going to take out the highs there. But I am going to be watching here to see if we do get a pullback further. Or if we start from here, that's fine. But I would like us to even get stretched a bit more and even put a little fear into the bulls that the weak bulls that think, oh, okay, we're going to go higher, so let's hold on. And then maybe if we even break the 50-day, maybe that could shake out some of the weak bulls. It's all, they're booking profits. Let's get out. It's amazing. A couple of days of weakness. What I was hearing in the live trading room with, don't you think they're going to be booking profits here? And it's just amazing how people will just disregard the trend on, with any type of action. And the best is if we did sell off here, which I believe it's an outlier that we sell off hard. I think we could sell off a little bit further and, stay within the boundaries of a pullback. I'm talking about a real big pullback. All the latecomers, all the Monday night, all the Monday morning, actually now it's Tuesday morning because of Monday Night Football, right? But all the Monday morning quarterbacks who were calling this the high, and this the high, and this the high, they'll be right eventually. And then they'll talk about, this you could have seen this coming, and I don't see it coming. In my opinion, I think we're setting up for an end of year bounce. And like I said, whether that gets to a new high or not remains to be seen. All right, the NASDAQ still acting okay, holding the 20 EMA here. See if it rotates off this or this has further down to go. Mid caps getting a little bit of a bounce here. The Dow, okay, has the 50-day right below. And the Russell has a couple of pause bars here. Now, is this setting up for more downside? That's next support. Or can it rotate up from here? Okay, this isn't bearish per se. It's just a pause pattern. You have to wait, to see confirmation either up or down out of this type of pattern. So to reiterate, again, to make sure I am clear here with the message, I don't know if we're ready to bounce here or we have further downside to be seen. We are in a sweet spot of the year, being the middle of the month of December, where usually you see a Santa Claus rally / January effects start coming in. We do have the Triple Witch, and we also have an FOMC meeting. So it all bodes well historically for a bounce. But whether we go down further first or not, I don't know. I do believe that we will see another bounce before the end of year. I do not know if that bounce will take out these highs or not. And personally, I don't care. I'm just looking whether it be here or whether it's a further stretch down for an opportunity to get long for one last bounce for 2013. All right, that's it. Have a great trading week. Be sure to join me for the Sunday night strategy session. I will put the sign up link in the description. It is free to attend. You get to ask myself and Paul Schatz, my partner, as many questions as you want regarding the market and specific stocks, and we will do the analysis for you. You also get to hear Paul go into the major indexes as well as the sectors, etc., in much greater detail. So it's free to attend, and I'll put that in the description. And have a great week. Any questions, you can always contact me, tiny@stockmarkettrendsx.com. I will talk to you in next week's video or through the daily email or newsletter.